On this video, I turned 6 QiYi Warrior W puzzles into force cubes, like this. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to take all 6 of these cubes, and I'm going to use the MF3RS stickers, and I'm going to make some force cubes. Here's how I do it. So step 1, I got to break these apart. Let's do it. Alright, so now that I've disassembled all the pieces, now it's time to further disassemble it by taking apart the cores. If all the cores were like this, this is probably the newer version of the QiYi Warrior W, but unfortunately I have one like this, so I have to disassemble all of these to put the correct core piece with the correct puzzle. I'm also going to sort all these pieces up, and I'm going to start disassembling all the corners and edges and start combining them up. So first things first, let's get sorting. You know what though? Let's go ahead and just save some time. Alright, much better. Now it's time to take these pieces apart and put them all together in the same color. Let's do it. Alright, so much better. Now we have all the pieces in their own little piles. Time to assemble these and make solid colored pieces. Let's rock and roll. Alright, so now that I have all my pieces, all my edges and corners put together, time to get these cores and put them all together. Let's rock and roll. Alright, so now all of the force cubes are built, it's time to go get them stickered. Okay, so this is going to take me a whole lot longer than I anticipated, so I'm actually not going to film the stickering part. But I'm going to bring all of its puzzles back when I'm done. This is probably going to take me over an hour to sticker. So, yeah. Go from there. See you on the flip side. Alright, so if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell next to it. Comment any thoughts or questions you might have. And until next time, happy cubing.